So in this video, we are going to install MySQL client, that is the graphical user interface, which basically connect to local MySQL server or remote MySQL server. But in this video, we're connecting to local MySQL server. So first thing is that how to download this one. So go to this page, MySQL workbench download for Windows. Then click on here. Now it will show you one option only, that is the MSI installer around 40 MB or something. Then click on download. It will ask for this login and sign up. You can skip that one. So simple click on this page, like say this link, like no thanks, just start my download, so that it will start the download. Since I already downloaded this file and stored in my local directory, so simple click on this file, then click on next. Yeah, then click on next. It will ask for the directory where you want to install, leave it as default. Click on next. If you want custom installation, you can, or in my case, I'm going to complete installation. Click on next, then install. It will ask for the some of the .msi file to install. Click on yes. Once the installation is completed, then we will connect this UI to our MySQL server. Then launch MySQL Workbench now and click Finish. Click on this window. Now this prompt will come, and click on this plus icon in the MySQL connection. Click on this plus icon. Let me delete this, the earlier one. Yeah, so it will show like this one. Click on this plus icon, and here you can type any name like MySQL. Any name is fine since a local connection. So leave it this default port, that is 3306. Then you can put the root password in the store in belt. This is the MySQL server password. When you're installing MySQL server, that time you are providing the password. The same password you can enter here. Then try the test connection. It will ask for the some of the warning because your server is like 8.4.5, but this workbench version is 8.4, so you can continue. Now you can see successfully it is connected to your database. That your database is the local database using root user. Click on OK. Yeah, it's done. So now you can see one database is there already. That is in the previous video I created one database using the command line. This is the orgdb. If you click there, it will show you the tables. One table is there having some rows are there. I mean some records are there. If you click on, I mean select here, select star from employee, execute this one. I think we need to select this one, your database orgdb1 dot. Yeah, it will come. Then execute this one. Now you can see whatever record we have inserted, it is showing here. You can manually edit this file, I mean edit this records also. Suppose one edit option is there, you can see here one edit option is there. Suppose I want to insert another record, that is the employee ID 3. Xman, like 70,000, and in marketing department. So I can apply these changes here. Apply. So automatically this insert into this script is generated. Insert into your database name, table name, your columns, and all the values are placed at there. You can see all the values are placed at here, and simply click apply. Now finish. Okay, it is successfully applied that SQL script. Now you can see one more record is inserted from the command line itself. You can check that one. So from the command line, one client is there like MySQL 8.4 client. You can enter your password here, MySQL root password, and you can use your database name. So earlier we have created this database. We can use this database and select your star from employee. Now you can see the same record is displaying at here, the last record. Okay, so in this way you can like perform all the SQL operation from the UI itself, like create table, insert records in the table, and create the relationship between two different table. Those kind of operation you can perform on the UI itself instead of going to this command line. So that is easy to manage all these things. Yeah, this is all about the how to install this MySQL client UI, and how to connect either the local database or the remote database. When you're connecting to remote database, instead of putting this 127.0.0.1, that is the local IP, so you can put the remote IP address. It will automatically connect to the remote database. Yeah, that's it.